Good evening, guys. Sorry for a very late video. It's almost midnight. I had a lot of things to do in Krakow. It's almost 100 kilometers from my home, and just came back. I promised video. I don't want to make more delays if I than I have already with homework. So sorry once again for late video. I'm back and I'm ready to talk about the price action today. It was very dangerous day, very messy. Honestly, I found only one setup which I took, the trade of the day. All the rest was no trading day for me. Anything safe. But let's start with the day. Already Marius took this trade. Probably, if I could remember. Sorry, Marius, if not. I was looking also for the setup. It was here. It was just after opening of Frankfurt session. Let's see. Here is the supply zone. Yes, the move to the up for a sell. So they got better price for a sell, and it was here. Yes, we didn't see anything more. Here was the demand zone on the M5 time frame, also a good order block. So here was the interesting thing, the equal highs. We always are looking for equal highs, yes, or equal lows on zones to wait for liquidity. And this liquidity appeared here, yes. Even here was once again equal highs. So I will mark this. So we don't need now the zone. Too much mess. So 2 times we had equal highs touching just the supply. So very high chances that price will want to take this equal highs, inviting the buyers as a break of structure, and then boom to the down. This could be expected. But what was also here? I would measure the where is my Phipps here? I would measure this candle. This one broke the structure. Yes, we have structure like this, or even the last low here was also taken. This candle was very strong, impulsive, nice push to the up as a confirmation that already the buyers are in minus in drawdown. Price came here, lost volume. This first touch of the 50 was with high volume. Then the second one was lower. So this setup was valid. I would enter on closure of this candle above measured candle. Here's the stop loss. With this strategy, could be 2.5 pip. I'm setting always 3, but let's make this correctly with the criterias. And I would aim to the small. Oh, this is not supply. This is demand. To the small demand. It was just 6 pips as a safe trade. So less than 2.5. So it wasn't for me, but correctly set up with the strategy. Let's see the where it is, the volume here. Yes, the volume was very nice, was decreasing, was going down. The first touch was stronger, but then price calmed down. Yes, the structure was already broken. This was the nice opportunity, but unfortunately, really took too small wave. If I would look here for as a main demand, but correct, really correct setup. So this is the number one. Yes, sounds crazy. I didn't use this. Too small wave, but only this I found after the day. Then what happened was only a waiting game. Who this was Pavel. Pavel drew very nicely this. I didn't check honestly the higher time frames. If here we had equal lows, not taken, yes, this was the last lower point, huge drop for a high, yes. Also here, this is the dropping market, bearish market with equal lows. This is the 4-hour time frame, very big one, and we see move to the down for a high, and then Pavel drew here the imbalance pool very correctly, yes, from week to the week. Here this bullish candle which broke the structure in here, broke the supply, was so powerful, so sharp 4-hour move that here the buyers didn't meet the sellers. So here was the imbalance pool. Let's switch back to the M5, how it looks here. Yeah, so we have the demand inside the liquidity pool, and then price was playing here. Here we have once again equal lows. So space between those two important areas with money. Yes, here price tried to go up. Then the move down was as a liquidity grab. You can see this. We don't need this one now. Price was starting to go up, but didn't make a high. This is still a range, big range. Pavel tried to take a buy here, but here we have only equal highs, yes, and here we have equal lows with liquidity grab, but still price didn't went from here. On the bigger picture, it was correctly, yes, the view was correct. Looking for a buys, huge drop, price is sitting. Here's also even, yes, looks like equal lows, a lot of equal lows, more equal lows than equal highs. It means that the buyers are really trying to stop their intentions to wait more for a strong shot to the upside. They were waiting fantastically. I compare this as a pumping the balloon. The so long a waiting game could finish only as a sharp, strong move to the upside. But it happened after whole Frankfurt, London, very late reaction. So what I was waiting here, when I found once again that price made another equal lows, crazy. So if all those before were taken, but this one not, this was my area of interest whole day. Price missed the demand. The whole action was in the imbalance pool, very nice, but here I was focused only on this one, and price didn't give me any invitation. Nowhere. Even here, yes, if we would measure any break of structures, I would be still by entry here, for example, here on this low, or even here, I would be really scared if price don't want to make a unexpected, as everything, unexpected big wick to the downside, because that was very powerful area. The demand with order block, here equal lows and huge 4-hour imbalance, crazy. I was scared. Here was nice, equal highs with liquidity grab to the supply and break of structure. Those weeks were very strange, very dangerous to enter the market here. I wasn't looking for a sell because I found this whole price action as accumulation. No one could know if here price will not starting to shot to the upside once again, because accumulation is a time when buyers are preparing for a shot to make a fast money in short time. Even here, yes, we had a lot of liquidity. They were preparing whole London. This is incredible. I don't see so much time those so long moves. Honestly, here I thought that this is the beginning of compression. Those moves, zigzag can see this, very specific, like a steps to the down, yes, zigzag. I call this zigzag. I thought that here can happen the strong move to the down for a break of structure, for look for a safe entry. Then it's already 10 minutes video. I will speed up. Look guys how many invitations here were, equal highs with equal lows. This could be the reaccumulation, but still, really guys, this was for me, I cannot maybe explain this so beautiful and good, but this was for me the main move. Price after accumulation started to going up, but what with that? Yes, this is the missing piece. They missed something. They forgot about some orders in here, and this was a very big patience game. Sorry guys, I didn't see here any clean break of structure as a sell, because for me sells were very risky if I am looking for a buys. This price action for me was the building the liquidity whole day, really like a boiling water or like a pumping the balloon, just a patience game. Even here when price reached once again the this demand perfectly, as sitting, this is perfection. Once again they made equal lows, maybe just for fun, I'm not sure. Here we had break of structure, invitation for early buyers, and then boom, shot to the downside, almost exactly where the whole imbalance pool was. Beautiful. I entered on closure of this one candle, so not here, somewhere here. I will explain soon why. I didn't wait for break this supply. For me this one was more important, because here was the manipulation. Here was probably the entries of early buyers, and I was aiming here because I found as a small supply, as they bought here. Here was the support resistance level for a strong push to the up for a sell. So here is supply, and I was aiming for the lower edge of the zone. It was nice, 18 pips, and it was just 13 minutes trade. So let's go to the volume. You can see the VWAP, by the way, how price was really showing the bullish pressure. Unfortunately, the third deviations were very tight. Price was really above those, but still respecting so much. Even this this last range, as probably the reaccumulation before shot to the up, was sitting, always rejecting from the VWAP. So price was above the VWAP, so price was bullish. All the time was showing the signs of bullish. They didn't want to go down. Wonderful. I love trading, guys. Really, I love trading. Here, the strong push to the down. Look, guys, how strongly appeared the sellers. So powerful move. But then the next candle, or even next, the two candles, two bullish ones, had also extremely high volume. Bit decreasing, I can agree. But by switching to the M5, look, what is this? Fantastic rejection pin bar full of volume. Extremely powerful candle. I was focused here on this, that those two next candles went up. This one closed above beginning of this one. So price was delivered back to this supply with still high volume and appeared buyers. Very shiny, but appeared. And this candle closed already above opening of this bearish strong movement. So all those candles together are as a pin bar what we already seen on the M5. I'm just doing this on my imagination, my mind, automatically. I'm not switching the time frames when I'm really close to entry. This is the fantastic move. And here what was very hardcore, but I didn't use so small, this one candle was I forgot the word. This one candle caused the break. Here was the manipulation. Wick to the upside means that buyers have no power. Yes, that they lost. Yes, the wick as a rejection wick. So invitation to take a sell, because we have supply. But here was the gap. The move was so sharp, but then price was above this. I found here, I didn't wait to break the structure, which I usually doing. This was, as Pavel said on the chat, this was just an experience, and I saw this dozens times. So sharp move, especially that it was a waiting game for whole day. If this would be delicate, yes, not so sharp move to the downside as the liquidity, price would be very shy and slower with low volume. I would wait then for a safer entry. It was just few minutes trade. This is impressive. The entry was, I agree, very hardcore, but I was waiting for this. I was only focused on buys, and what Vixen also found, that the candles were already above those equal lows, back again. We had probably exactly same entry. Uran, I think, joined a bit earlier, but really I'm proud of you guys that you didn't scared on this setup. You were waiting with so big patience, exactly with me. Wow, I'm really proud of the patience. But don't get me wrong, guys, that your sells were wrong or something like this. Yes, we are scalpers, where we can catch every small wave, yes, as a 10, 12, 15 pips. Just my rules didn't let me jump into this first setup. It was really nice, 100% correct with strategy, but too small for me. Too small profits to take, and even this price missed this, has turned back. So it was not 1 to the 2.5, but maybe 1 to the 1. Very small range. But this was very lovely. Price went the third deviation, and why? Because here on top, which one candle was that? Here was very big. Here on top, you can see this spike of buy orders, huge volume, and big green delta, and it was this one candle, this hanging man. By drawing this, yes, we had still probably negative buy orders, and price just kissed this extremely good. So no more buyers on the market. But then it was so tricky, I wouldn't find here any safe entry for a sell. Especially that it was already late. It was the second part of New York session. Lower volume, less players on the market. I think, in my small opinion, that this day was really just one trade day. That the big guys only waited for this shot. Only from whole day, you can see this. Also the view up was horizontal. This was the one big move of the day. They waited for this. Everything else, they are just small candles. Nothing interesting. Nothing. This was tricky, yes. I was looking for entries so much, but it didn't happen. Very boring day. So we need to learn also the patience. Sometimes we can find 10 setups a day, 5 setups a day, but unfortunately today was, for me, just one setup day. Of course, for me also no matter, because I'm taking just one trades, or maybe two a day, mostly just one. I didn't like the waiting so long, but I did this. Usually I'm not trading New York, but look, guys, I hope that you also see this the same, that they probably only wait for this one 30 pips, 35 pips move. Nothing here else happened. Boring day, tricky, a lot of equal highs, lows, only range. I don't know why they waited for only this one move, because no news were here. Just tomorrow are the CPI on for dollar, just after beginning the opening the New York, and that's it. Yes, so much time before they just played with us, but nothing bad. Yes, not every day is a trading day. I am so happy that you were not throwing trades whole day. Very good, really, guys, very good. This would be too easy, as if we can find setup by setup, every hour one setup. This is not it. They want to also earn. They also, these big guys, are waiting for our mistakes, for our greed, for our impatience. He also was very nice invitation. I'm not sure if I talked about this. Yes, very shy break of structure, but did the price here give us a sign of going up? No, I still only seen the big pulls here. There was big zone, very important for me. 21 minutes, too much, too long. I hope that some of you can take anything useful from this video. Very strange day. I hope that tomorrow will be better. Let's earn some money and let's learn. This is of course the key, the first main thing why we all are here, to learn together. Thank you guys for activity on the chat, and trade safe. I see that really some of you are going forward very nicely after long break, or just something clicked maybe. I love to see this. Thank you very much, guys. I'm pushed very, very nicely. I'm pushed to work more for you. Very good. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.